Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Master Lock 15. It's a 5-pin lock, nothing special, it's just Master Lock, but first video, got to get over the jitters, so figured we'll do something easy. Using top of the keyway with a 20 thousandths monkey paw from Sparrows. That's 2 set, 3 binding, 3 set, 4 binding, 4 set, back to the front, 1 still loose, 2 still loose, 3 fell. Alright, 3 set, 4 set, 5. Did over set 1. Okay, there we go. Got her open. Awesome. First video done.